Hello guys, today I will show to you how to move background behind complex subject like this. You see the hair so complicated uh, to become like this. Okay, uh, file open. Okay guys, the material link in the description below. It if you want to download, it is safe to download because the link from Google Drive. Pay attention to the hint of shortcut and the right hand message at the bottom of the screen. So first use lasso tool and then select and mask. Use this tool. Refine edge brush tool. You can arrange this setting. Me, I use 100 to see clearly, and then I start to brush. Okay, and here output setting, output to use layer with mask, so it will create new layer for you and masking. See, now press alt and click the thumbnail of the masking. If you see the masking is not perfect, so I use brush mode overlay. I brush with black here. Setting I use around 30. If you see in this area not perfect also, so I use white and then I brush again. In that area I use 100. Now the masking is perfect. I click here. Now I make new layer. I fill with whites. First I reset this by press D, X, and then I fill with white. You see here not perfect, so I use brush again. I brush here, overlay. Normal. I use around 30. Okay. If you see in the edge of the dog, the hair looks not good. There is black area, so I make new layer. I clip, and then I use stem, current and below the sample. I zoom here. I stem first. To pick, press Alt, click. Alt click. Now you see the difference. I make mistake here. To fix it, I mask. I use brush. I make new layer again. Clip. I use brush. Setting around 30. To pick, press Alt, click. I make new layer. I fill with edit fill 50% gray. This is to see the fur. Is it perfect or not? There is some white in this area, so I use brush again. I brush with black. Okay guys, I think this is perfect already. I lock. Then after that, you can save as to PNG file. Save a copy in window. PNG. Here. I name it whatever I want. To PNG. So I save to PNG. If your computer is good, use large file size. Okay, so the PNG is a file with a transparent background. Oh sorry, I want to show you the PNG. This is the PNG that I already saved. See, transparent. Okay guys, I think that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.